Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or a girl. If two families have two children each, then the conditional probability that all children are girl, given that at least two are girl. So you have to find out the conditional probability, and they have given the condition is at least two of them are girl. Okay, so can I say that, look at this. I'll write down the condition first. So can I go with two girl and two boy, three girl, one boy, and four girl? Okay, so these are the condition, and we have to find out the probability that all children are girl. Okay, so we have to find out the probability for this case. Okay, now look at this, how I will approach. So required probability will be, now try to understand, it is all cases, so we will write down these things in the denominator. Okay, now so we have to select two girls. So at any position, means one, like if they are in certain order, the elder one is someone and elder and smaller than him and her, like this. Okay, the first age wise I have placed them. Okay, now look at this, how I will be writing. So among four children I have to select two, and those two belongs to girls. Okay, means it can be the first child can be girl, second child can be girl, third child can be girl, fourth child can be girl. So among those four child, any two can be girl. So first we will select them and then we will place girls. So the probability of having a girl child is what, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square. Now we are left with two child, and those two childs has to be boys. So 2C2 boy, probability of getting boy is 1 by 2 because it is equally likely, means probability is same. So this. Okay, so this is case 1. Now case 2, three of them are girl, so it is 4C3. So 1 by 2 girl power 3. Okay, and then there is one child, so select one, 1C1, that has to be boy, 1 by 2. Okay, now next case, all four are girls, so 4C4, 1 by 2 power 4. Okay, and we have to find out the probability for this case, so we will be writing this on the numerators as well. So 4C4, 1 by 2 power 4. So if you will observe, everywhere we have 1 by 2 to the power 4, correct? So this thing can be neutralized, and we will be left with what, 4C4, that is 1. Okay, this is 4C4, 4C4 is 1, and then we have 4C2. So 4C2 can be written as 4, 3, 2 factorial upon 2 factorial, 2 factorial, this thing gone, this thing gone, we are left with 6. So it is 6, and 2C2 is what, 1. 4C3 is what, 4, and 4C4 is what, 1. So it is 1 by 11. Therefore the required conditional probability is 1 by 11. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.